spicy sticker. Alright boys, back at it. I'm just chilling out here with Mike. What's up, Mike? Looking at all these spicy builds. Ooh. Damn. Dino GT. Upcoming video under the blanket. Ooh. Old school. Yeah, so as you've probably seen from the thumbnail of the video, what we're doing today, but Mike and I thought we'd quickly run through how we came up with what we're doing. And what I was going to do before I came up with that spicy thing over there. I think you can see the back tire. Ooh. So let's go quickly talk about this. We've got some things going on in the out here. As you can see, we got cars, we got some construction cranking over there. Anyway, so this thing, that ain't no BMX. So on the weekend I was watching Alfredo Mancuso YouTube channel. It's pro BMXer in the States. I think they're in LA. So they film in this BMX shop, and I'm pretty sure it's LA. They do some sick builds there. It's a sick shop. So they came up, this is where I got the idea. So they came up with the idea, they grabbed a mountain bike. I was just chilling. So I've got a few of these sitting here that I put together ages ago, saved from the dump. They turned them into BMX cruisers. So oh, that's pretty cool. I've got some of those sitting at the back. So I grabbed this one. They went pretty hard out on theirs. They changed the front sprocket to a single sprocket. Took the gears off, made it single speed. Did the seat, did the bars, did the tires. They did everything pretty much. So I didn't want to go that hard. I don't want to spend money on it. So I grabbed this out of the backyard shed, and then I thought, oh, what'd be cooler than making a BMX cruiser out of a mountain bike? And I thought, oh, this should be way better. Ooh. Fat Tyre Bmx cruiser. Way better. So I had this thing sitting here. Been sitting here for a while. She got the beefy tire on it. Spicy. So the blue bike we were just looking at, got ditched for the big fat tire. Ooh, 26 by 4.0. That's a thick tire. So it's already got a single sprocket on the front. I'm gonna leave the gears on the back because I'm gonna keep the gears. got one of these shitty gears on it. You can put it anywhere on the bars, so I'm gonna probably have to, because the cable's not very long, it's not gonna reach up the top of the bars, so you'll see where they end up. I'm gonna ditch the front brake, ditch the discs, ditch the pads, just run a rear brake, ditch the seat, and put some bars on it. So here, we're all set up, ready to go. Ooh. So we got some 8.5-inch bars off the Academy we did last. Got a headset. Got a decent seat. Got a seat post. And the grips on it I'm going to reuse because they're pretty new and I haven't used them. So yeah, that's what we're doing. BMX fat tire. Ooh. So this thing should turn out pretty sick. Something different. Shout out to Tyre Bmx YouTube channel where I got the idea. If you're not watching them, go suss it out. It's a pretty good channel. They like they do some pretty sick builds and they show you how to do everything. So if you want to learn and teach yourself what to do, apart from what I do, just put bars, make them look flash, go check out the Tyre Bmx YouTube channel, man. Alright, I'm going to stop talking because I don't have much time today. Me and Mike are going to get this thing done and get back to you when it's all finished. Alright, I'll see you soon. Peace out. Alright boys, we're back. We're all done with the Fat Tyre BMX build. So, let's go slap this guy on there, make him official, and go check it out. So here's the parts we took off. Mountain bike bars, seat, front brakes. Didn't go too hard on the clean, but it did come up pretty good. So here we go. Ooh, that's nice. Check him out. So yeah, something different boys, a bit of cheap fun. Go check out our Tyre Bmx YouTube channel. Watch and build theirs. I had to add another spacer down here. Get it nice and tight, yeah. So running no front brake. This looks sick. 8.5-inch bars, new seat. And I kept the gears on there. Alfredo goes hard out, he ditches the gears all together. chooses a cog he wants to use. I think it came out pretty sick. And it didn't cost nothing. I've had this bike for about 3 years. It's just sitting there. And if you're going to do it, you can keep the cost down. Go out the Giant and Lawton if you're in the Brisbane area. Get a set of Salt Pros for $50. 9.5 inch. Get yourself a seat sheet. Get some grips. Cheap fun, boys, cheap fun. Alright, let's slap this boy on there. I think we're gonna put him on the front today. So, give us a minute. Take it back. Oh man, got it. Let's see if I can do this. I'm try and not look through the camera and do it. About there, you reckon? Oh, she's on an angle. But don't care. Yeah, this thing's pretty sweet, boys. Won't do the bump test with this one because she will fail. So yeah, grab the mount bikes out of the shed, boys. Throw some ideas at, see what you can come up with. They make a pretty sick cruiser. Alright, and call it a day, boys. I'll hope you enjoyed the build. Something a bit different. Hopefully it gave someone out there the idea as well to get their mountain bike out, change it up. Alright boys, I'm out. See you at the next build. Peace.